The Profitability Index is a tool businesses use to evaluate the value created for every dollar invested in a project. Also called the Profit Investment Ratio, this metric helps companies decide which potential projects offer the best bang for their buck. To calculate it, you simply divide the present value of future cash flows by the amount of the initial investment. A score above 1 means the project is expected to be profitable, while a score below 1 suggests it might not be worth the cost. While net present value shows raw dollar gains, the Profitability Index shows how efficiently a project uses its capital resources. If a company has limited funds, they often prioritize projects with a higher index score to maximize their overall return. It is most helpful when budgets are tight, as it helps rank projects by their sheer efficiency rather than just the total profit. Remember that this is a technical tool for capital budgeting. Consult your financial team for specific business decisions. Thanks for watching.